Hey guys, Ali from ALTA. Good morning. Hey, we just got a quick note for you on the stands. We're changing colors on our mobile floor stands. We were doing them in gloss black up to now, and we like the gloss black. It's just really susceptible to scratching during shipping and marks. So not the greatest for being on the floor and also shipping. We were seeing enough damage that we kind of rethink it. We're gonna get away from black altogether for now, and we're gonna go into this desert sand, which is a nice flat finish. You see an orange sticker here, but these are gonna come with black stickers. And then also our flat cherry red, that's also available in our racks as well. Again, same exact stand, but two different colors. These are two we're gonna order, or we're gonna produce from now on for the time being. And there'll be a selection under that page. If you don't see a selection as you're ordering, just put it in the notes and we'll send you the color you desire as long as it's in stock. If not, we'll contact you and let you know that whichever color is available or not. Again, this is Ali from ALTA. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome day, y'all.